Morning students, welcome to our physics class. Today I am going to teach about the uses of dimensional analysis. So last class we learned three uses of dimensional analysis. First one is to convert the physical quantity from one system to another system, and the second use is to check the correctness of a given equation, and the third one establish relations among the various physical quantity. So first we have to see about first uses of dimension analysis. Convert a physical quantity from one system to another system. So one example problem is there. So convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton meter raised to minus 2 using the method of dimensions. The dimensional formula of pressure P. So already we learned 25 dimensional formula. So 7 fundamental quantity, mass, length, etc, etc. So here pressure given. So pressure is denoted by P. So this dimensional formula is m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. M for mass, L for length and T for time. So m power 1 and L power minus 1 T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of pressure. Okay. So question given Newton meter raised to minus 2. So you have to convert the physical quantity from one system to another system. So here CGS system given, you have to convert from CGS system to SI system. Okay, so P1 equal to P1 of M1 L1 T1 equal to P2 of M2 L2 T2. So power we consider A, B, C. Okay, so see the first quantity power is A, and the second quantity power B, and the third quantity power is C. Okay, so first A value is 1. So you have to note it here, A equal to 1. Then L power minus 1. This is B, power B. So B equal to minus 1. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, C equal to minus 2. So 3 powers given. So here M power A and L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. So now A value is 1 and B value is minus 1 and C value is minus 2. Okay. The next you have to convert from one system to another system. So here P2 value need to find. So that one take left side. So P1 of M1 L1 T1 equal to P2 of M2 L2 T2. Okay. So we know the value of P1. See the value of P1, 76 centimeters. So this is P1 value. So that one you have to write here. P1 of M1 by M2 the whole power A, L1 by L2 the whole power B, and T1 by T2 the whole power C. Okay, the next step you have to substitute the value of M1 L1 T1 and M2 L2 T2 and power also. Okay, the next step P1 value 76 centimeter given. So these are constant values. So you have to multiply with this value. Okay, 76 into 13.6 into 980 into, so M1 value, so M1 equal to 1 gram. So M2 equal to 1 kilogram, L1 equal to 1 centimeter and L2 equal to 1 meter. And time T1 equal to 1 second and T2 is equal to 1 second. Okay, listen carefully. CGS, C for centimeter. So you have to note it here centimeter. G for gram. So note it here gram. S for second. Okay, so this is CGS system. So in this problem, we have to convert from CGS system to SI system. So CGS given, you have to convert to SI system. Okay, so here M1 value given. So M1 value is 1 gram. So that one take and write. So 76 into 13.6 into 980. So next see here M1. So M1 value is 1 gram. Note it here 1 gram. Divided by M2 value 1 kilogram. So that one note it here 1 kilogram. Then second one L1 value. So L1 equal to 1 centimeter. So note it here 1 centimeter. L2 value 1 meter. The next time T1 equal to 1 second and T2 is equal to 1 second. 1 S by 1 S. Okay. The next you have to write the power. Okay. So A power is 1. Note it here A power 1. B power minus 1. Note it here B power minus 1. Then C power minus 2. You have to note it T power minus 2. Okay, the next to multiply these values fully. So we got to 101, 2928. Okay, the next 1 gram you have to convert from gram to kilogram. Okay, so here note is 1000 kilogram divided by already given 1 kilogram into 1 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So note it here 100 meter divided by 1 meter. Here same unit is same 1 second divided by 1 second. Okay. The next step same value you have to note it here 101 292 into 2928 into 1000 means 3 zeros are there. So you have to note it here 10 cube divided by 1. The whole power 1. So here 2 zeros are there. So 10 square divided by 1. The whole power minus 1. P2 is equal to 101 2928 into 10 power minus 3 the whole power 1. Here 10 power minus 2 the whole power minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Okay. So here 10 raised to minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2. So minus 1 will come. So that one note it here. Same value into 10 raised to minus 1. So we need to convert from CGS system to SI system. So put the point. So minus value means you have to put the point before that number. So you have to note it 101,292.8. So this 10 raised to minus 1 cancel. The next, so 10 power 5 is here. So 10 power 5 means, so this point moves from here to here means 10 raised to plus 1. So here plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So you have to note it here 10 raised to plus 5. So that final value is P is equal to 1.01292 into 10 raised to plus 5 Newton per meter square or Newton meter power minus 2. So this is the value of pressure.